Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, February 15th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I got the daily time frame chart using the Japanese candlesticks, and we are in very big need to update our scenario. So what is going on here on the chart? First off is that our let's say triangle scenario of the correction has not been correct one, so we need to remove it because we have the new swing high, which means that we are actually finished the corrective cycle wave 4 way earlier than expected. So wave 4 has been finished here after the A, B and C very short zigzag type correction had been completed. So now the situation with the whole Elliott wave scenario is a little bit more clear. Okay, so we got wave 3 top broken, 4,698 has been violated. We got the support here, and then of course we got this support here, 40,074 euro. That was used as the big technical support in case of a sudden spike to the downside. So let me just zoom in a little bit bigger, and because we got the new high above the wave 3, we can delete the impulsive cycle invalidation level, which is of course to 28,000, and that was the high of the wave 1. Now everything is exactly right now as it should be. So what we are looking at, let me just move my wave 5 a little bit so I will show you guys the situation. There you go. We are now developing the wave 5. This is very simple. So in this wave 5 scenario, we need 5 waves to the upside. It looks like we might be actually there. We might be actually moving towards the targets on the wave 5. Big spike to the upside. Don't worry about it. Let's now find the new highs for the wave, the new projected target for the wave 5, because the wave 4 low has been done, so we can do it, right? So let me just again zoom out a little bit. Okay, let me just zoom out. Okay, a little bit of the outlook. There you go. BTC USD midterm outlook. How about we just get rid of these lines here? We will stick to the labeling, but we'll get rid of this line, right? So right now, okay, let's stick with the subwaves. It's not a problem. Let's find out the target for the wave 5. Okay, so how do we do this? Basically, we are going to use Fibonacci projections. So from the lows, let me be as accurate as I can be. We are going to measure the whole length of the wave 3 from the low of the wave 4. Right, let me just play with this because we need this to be a little bit more clearer. So basically we don't need this one, and this one, and this one, and maybe even this one we will leave, and we will add this one. Why? Because of the theory of the Elliott wave. So I don't want to get into this details right now. Oh, where are my waves? Yes, there you go. So well, we are still below the target for the Bitcoin to Euro. Now that's just the one measurement. Let's find out what is going on when we add some kind of Fibonacci clusters, because these levels are just single levels, single projections. Let's do something different then. The other one will be the external projection, okay, of the wave 4. So let's just move this one here. So wave 4 again. Wave 4 is here, the low, and now the high of the wave 3. Supposed to be somewhere here. Let me just find out when I have it, if I have it right. So everything is correct, so we don't need anything like this anymore. Yes, it looks correct. So 161 is located here, 261 is located here. Let me just add 200, which is not very often used level, but might get a very handy for us. Okay, so that's the 161. That's the 2, and 2 is almost equal to this level. You see, now we are getting somewhere. So the projections, remember, those are only projections. Okay, I will not clutter my my chart. Let me leave it like this. We need one more. We need one more projection, and this will be the measurement of the wave 1. So let me just zoom out again. So the measurement of the wave 1 will be done using the price range. Okay, so from the lows here to the highs of this wave 1. Okay, and now we will just measure it from the bottom of the wave 4, so something like this. And now, as you can see, wave 5, all right, in terms of the measurement is the same as the wave 1. All right, so it's not, let me just move it here. You see, it's not something very unusual in the Elliott wave terminology. Nevertheless, let's stick to this situation here. Let's stick to the situation where we got the movement to the right. Oh, there you go. So bottom and right. So those are our levels. Don't mind this one, the internal ones. It looks like the target for the wave 5 might be on a very typical level of 161%, which is 50,392, or it might be extended towards this level here, 33,650, where it's very nice cluster for the wave 5, right? So this measurement of the wave 1 didn't actually make any difference. Nevertheless, we still got this this situation here on our chart. We are waiting for the wave 5 to kick in. Okay, let me just remove these internal lines because they don't actually look good and they are completely useless. Okay, so and 261, 361, there you go. We need to always make sure that our chart doesn't have too many lines, because it's not necessary for this chart to have any lines like this. And 100, let me just remove the 100 as well, so there is no confusion whatsoever. There you go. So those are our targets. Okay, let me add one more level here. So this level here is the bottom for the wave 4. Now this is very intense level, 40,074. Very nice, situation with the test of this level. Let's just switch to the RSI at the end to see what is going on here, and you can see the RSI is extremely overbought. Which means that there is some sort of the divergence as well. Let me just show you guys what do I mean, and I will just make it like this. So the lows of the wave 4 is visible and the target for the wave 5 is visible. There you go. So this is the chart I wanted to have from the beginning, right? Now, what do I mean is that there is downside movement on the momentum. This momentum is still lower than this one, right? So there is still a slide in the momentum, and as you can see, since the top of this little wave 3, we are keep moving higher, right? So the price is making higher highs, momentum doesn't. So all of these movements to the upside were made using the lower decreasing momentum, which is still high, which is still positive, right? But there is clearly some kind of a bearish divergence here forming. So let me just make it clear for you guys that there is this bearish divergence between price and between the momentum indicator. They should go hand in hand, but they don't. Which means that we are very close for a pullback or of a completion of the wave of this upside movement. It's very typical that there is bearish divergence between wave 3 and the wave 5, which again adds to the situation that we should be close to completing this bullish cycle. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.